Hey, Gareth here.
And Janet.
With Janet. And we are here in Belfast, Northern Ireland on a rainy day. Now we're boarding a double-decker bus in the rain. And it's raining pretty good now, or pretty bad, depending on how you look at it. Across the street. We've come out of the tourist information center. It's time to cross. That's City Hall, the home of bathrooms, apparently. Of course, they have these handy signs everywhere. That even says toilets. And this is Donegal Square, I guess, or it's on the other side. Going up into City Hall. No food or drink.
What did you say? Snap?
Obviously, it's still raining. Marble walls.
I'd like to get back for the 4:30 show.
Yeah, and then Ken said then we're going right on to
They have a reception area. Oh, look at this place. Hey, they have a gift shop. And hats for £12. So if it says City Hall on it, it's £3 less than across the street. We turned a corner into another place. And now it says over here, seems like we could have just walked through there. Gents are there and the ladies are over there. And we're going to just run through some of these rooms. I think this is a World War II display. Belfast in the Spanish Civil War, Belfast in the Blitz. World War One. Rooms 10 and 11 are this way. Hey, a coffee shop. And they are open. I like all the automatic doors. The cappuccino's £3.50. Coffee shop's right there. Janet's right here. The orange order. Room 789. Belfast English. Ooh. Sweetie mice? Oh, look, a map. The streets of Belfast from this 1897 map. Can you find the new City Hall? I hate to say it, but I'm really not going to even try. But I think it's right there. Oh, site of new City Hall. I found it. ceremonial keys. Hollywood, Florida. I don't know whose chair that is. The High Sheriff, the Lord Mayor, and Deputy Lord Mayor. This year's. Probably very reflective there.
See this?
2014 Lord Mayor. 2014. 2014. Oh. Okay. That's why it's a new... You were saying?
It says it was a special year for the city because of that.
That's what the building looks like from the outside when it's not raining. And that's what the Royal Trowel looks like. Oh, trowel and gavel. That's right. And then there's this door. Oh, I don't have the key. Oh well. Exhibition starts here. Or ends here. Depends on which way you went. Apparently there's a lot more up there on the other side of the rope. Let's go out. From here, you can get a picture of the word Belfast. And you can see the street. We're going to go up here and go right. We're leaving the Belfast City Hall. It's a big building. We're going to go around the back of it up to our next point of interest, which should be the Ulster City Hall. Statue. Well, we've come to the other side of City Hall. We're on the other side of City Hall now, and that's Frederick Temple, the illustrious, to the illustrious memory of. And then there's this little thing. So this is to the two world wars, a monument. And here's the gates back to City Hall. Visitor attractions. Oh, that's some laws there. And more statues. Along with the Marianne McCracken statue. Is the Scottish Provident Institution. Grand Central. I'm going to walk back across the front of it. There's the Belfast sign in the front of City Hall. And we walked by here a minute ago. And this is in memory of those who died on the 15th of April, 1912. And it's got everyone's name from the Titanic. Titanic Memorial Garden. Look at that name right there. there's a statue, Titanic Memorial.